Are you a healthcare provider and you're having wrist or hand pain? Here are some basic exercises that will help you. This is Dr. Levi, the Gamers and Esports Doctor. So often, many of my patients are in a multitude of fields involving healthcare, from estheticians to barbers to massage therapists to other surgeons, other physicians, chiropractors, as well as massage therapists. I take care of so many of you, and often the issue is finger pain, wrist pain, hand pain. I want to show you some basic exercises that will help you. So the first, you can do this this is an instrument that I came up with several years ago. This is called the triangle, and I use it to really increase the strength of my hands. I have several videos on how to use it. You can check those out. The number one thing I do with it that's most helpful, you can do this with the triangle, where you can ball into like a stress ball, and I just use this. I tuck in my thumb and I just squeeze for a set of 25. Then I hold it up this way, thumb up, and I squeeze for a set of 25. Now, if you don't have the triangle, you can simply use, I've talked about this before, you can use a towel or a dishcloth, and you can basically wrap it together and you just squeeze it for sets of 50. Then flex your wrist, and then again, a set of 50. Then extend your wrist for a set of 50. These are basic exercises that you can do to really help your hands if you're having pain, and your wrists. Now, other exercises will be these, of course. I love these. I have them in almost every video session. These are around the world exercises with your fingers and with your wrists, and then back around the world, a set of 50 with your hands and your wrists. And then, of course, just shake your hands out. Shake your hands and your wrists out. This will also help you. It helps to really rejuvenate your body. Just shake your hands and wrists out. These are really basic exercises that if you are a healthcare provider, esthetician, barber, massage therapist, chiropractor, these basic exercises will help you. The final one I'll leave you with are these: piano, reverse piano, piano, reverse piano. So take a look. Here, the thumb is on top, thumb is inside. These exercises are basic. I recommend 3 sets of 50, once a day or twice a day if you can, but they will definitely help you to maintain the health of your hands and your wrists. This is Dr. Levi. Please subscribe and like below, and thanks for being a part of our community. I'll see you soon. Stay healthy.